Hi and welcome to Trackplan. In this video, we will show you how to create a planned schedule and attach multiple sites. Planned schedules can be uploaded using our upload center in the settings area or created one by one by clicking New Schedule. Here we can start creating the schedule. The schedule name. Give the schedule a code. An overdue job on a statutory planned schedule will mean your site or asset is non-compliant. You can set up your own schedule categories in the settings area. Choose to associate this schedule to either a site, a location within that site, or an asset. If you choose an asset, you can then choose to a specific asset class or asset subclass. You can then choose to create a job for each asset or one job for a site or location with all assets attached. You can link schedules of a similar type, example by site. Then sites or assets added to this schedule will be joined to other schedules in this group. You can also add superseded rules for smart scheduling. Choose a start date, an end date if necessary, frequency, and choose to ignore weekends. Choose your schedule type, either regular or sliding. With a regular schedule, all new planned jobs will be created on dates as per the schedule due dates and frequency, regardless of when the last job was completed. For a sliding schedule, the next due date for the next job will slide with the date the current job is completed. We can then choose to either create the job after the current job is completed or create job when due, even if the other jobs are still open. We can also choose to create the next job immediately or create the job so many days before it's due. We can now configure the settings for the planned job. The job details. Choose a planned job type. Choose a job category if necessary. The job duration. Select a team, a default assigned user. Select a contractor budget, a region, or we can choose that a plan certificate must be uploaded before the planned job is completed. We can then select a default resource or contractor, choose to automatically instruct them, send an email. We can also include a worksheet, a PDF. Reminders can also be set up on the system to the assigned user or to the resource or contractor so many days before the planned job is due. When we are happy with all details and settings, we can click Save. From here, we can add any electronic forms like inspections or risk assessments. We can also upload any documents. These forms and documents will be attached to all planned jobs created. Now we can click the back button and start associating multiple sites to this planned schedule. Click the green arrow to reveal a list of all of your sites. Click the on button to associate your site to the planned schedule. From here we can easily choose the due date, the assigned user or the contractor and confirm. We can select multiple sites, have different dates, have different assigned users, and have different contractors or resources associated to the same planned schedule. Now that this job has been generated, we can see that it has been automatically instructed to our contractor. Clicking on the job number will bring you to the job details page where you can manage that job. We can see that documents have been attached to this job from the planned schedule and forms have been attached to this job from the planned schedule. On the job details page, we can easily see important information about that schedule. I hope this video was useful to you and thank you for watching.